You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Now, what tell about so far our and what tell our audience at home that keep eating what?
Abula Foluke.
Tell by JM TV series 1 minute. Morning. Wait, one after the other. Please, I'm saying it. I beg, and done. You see all the wait. I'm about to up now. Hey, you come up and what do you mean? Well, what up with another minute? So, this, I won't carry my saga. Well, that problem, I'm still coming for that. All right, can I meet you, man? I gave me what you promote. So, can I meet you? What's the name, man? So, ọmọ bíbí ilẹ̀ yìí ní àbátòkè òkun. Ọmọ bíbí ilẹ̀ yìí. Àbájọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá dé jọ̀wọ́ fún ẹ. Wọ́n ti jẹ àbùlà wa ni. Ẹ jọ kí ni kọ́ta lè sọ nípa oúnjẹ àbùlà Foluke? Ok, kí ni ẹ lè sọ nípa àbùlà tẹ jẹ́ nígbà lónìí? Ẹ sọ fún wa.
Èmi jẹ correct iyán tí wọ́n fi ọwọ́ gún mi o, mo ṣe pound o, àbí tọ́kọ̀ ló gún mi o, mo ti jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ gún.
Báwo ṣe wá ní tó sì ní sí báwo ṣe ní sí?
Ẹni tó so jẹ ìgbọ̀ngàn ni mo fẹ́ rí àmọ́ wọ́n dàgbò wọ̀ sí àwọn ọ̀gá. Ó dùn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nìyẹn. It was so delicious and to be sincere, that food was amazing, was delicious. I just want to have more. But you know when it comes to pounded yam, somehow I'm kind of filled up. Kudos to the cook, to the chef, to everybody here in Apunda. Foluke, God bless you all.
I beg.
There's a club, restaurant, bar. In fact, there are rooms for short rest. So let's say it's like when you are saying 10 in one stop. That's just
okay. That's very good. As you can see, Mrs. Foluke Daramola is also happy to see you and have you as guest as well. Can you just try as much as possible to say something, maybe your relationship with her, or what he has in common with you?
Foluke, why did we shoot Agogwe? What did I do? What did we shoot it? 2000 on the movie stage.
As it is. Okay, that's good. That's very good. So, but can you, as a person who have been a motivator and also a role model for some fans, can you just help us to tell the fans some of the things they are still expecting from you, and some of the things you still need to do, and some of your things you are going to do.
Dear fans, okay, I just shot a movie titled Status Wife. So please let me Status Wife.
Okay.
So that's my movie. We shot Status Wife in July. So please let's do that.
Okay. Thank you for listening to us. Yes, OH TV.
TV. Keep watching Black TV.
Alright. Thanks, man. Alright, man. Hey, man.
Today,
I'm fine. Please, can I know your name?
okay, my name is Bossa.
Okay. As you can see, we are at Foluke Daramola's Abula's sports this thing. So, how happy are you to be here?
I don't know why you have to start doing this. Like, you don't come when I was eating my own mignon. Man, I'm so happy to be here. Like, Auntie Foluke is someone I know for, let me say, for some years now, for as long as I can remember. And I know she's got some kind of potential in her. She's got something that people need to see. I'm so happy to be here. Like, funny enough, I wasn't even invited. Hey, I just saw it on people. I saw your status. Like, she's a guest here. So I'm like, wow, I have to be here. I have to be here.
That's very good. Then I know you are together with Bimbo. How is Foluke Daramola too?
Hey. But I thought I had my friend. No, that's my sister.
Okay.
My lover. I'm a lover of both things. And Foluke is someone that supports you. Like, she does not even need to be very, very close before she can support you. But I am very, very happy to be here with her. My big auntie.
No
No,
problem.
Foluke Daramola is mine.
Okay, no problem.
This Abula of the Scott Kitchen, Abula, Foluke Daramola. I'm just coming here for the first time and I was wowed. I was like, are you for real? A woman did this. You want to come up with the space? You want to come up with the VIP section? The rest. I mean, you have a short rest space and all that. It's fantastic. It's amazing. And I can't wait to like do something here and then invite people to come and do something with me. Their food. People that know me, I'm a food lover. The food I had correct pounded yam and it was amazing, it was delicious, it was yummy. I also had the taste of jollof rice and I'm still going to have jollof rice. So guys, Abula underscore is your real plug.
Just say a shout out to your fans who love to see you many times. So just say a shout out to your fans.
Alright, shout out to my fans out there. You know I've always said it to you that if you are not there, there is no me. And always focus and be stable. You're going to be fine.
Okay. Please, this is Gua TV.
Gua TV looks like where I trade from. When you say what's up G, you say what's up Gua. Wow! For the people, keep watching, don't touch that line.
Thanks. Alright, man. Thanks you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.